Oh my god, I didn't realize my camera stopped working. So what is this, like part 3, part 4? I don't know. I'll put the part down below. But yeah, I can't remember where I last left off because, to be honest with you, I really wasn't looking behind the camera. So yeah, here's Christ Satan. There's his face. There's this little S is sideways. I guess this little S up here is supposed to represent like the hornets coming out of the devil's head and stuff. It has little roller wheels on it. So if I already said this stuff, I'm just repeating myself because I can't recall. It's late while I'm doing this review and stuff, so yeah. And then, time that it takes to upload. Ugh. Anyway. So yeah, we all seen these wheels on like the, I keep wanting to say 4Ds, but it was like the Metal Fight series. One that HASBRO kind of sneaked in underneath the radar. I guess you could say American exclusive. It was like Crown, Hell, Lower Defense, or Spite, or something like that. I can't remember the full name, but I remember it was Crown Hell. I had that bay, but it's, in storage and stuff. And the other one that had these little rolling wheels, which actually this time these wheels actually roll pretty good. I think it was back in the old days, the plastic, the Generation 1 plastic bays, a Draceil, and I believe it was called Kid Draceil. If it's not, go on, look. How many years ago was plastic Gen bays? The original G1 Beyblades that we had here in America. A long freaking time. Am I right? Yeah. And even then, those wheels did not really wheel that good. They were better than the ones that got in the Metal Fight, but these ones are by far the best. Reason why, these ones are a lot smaller, and they actually had like metal pins going through them. Well, not pins, but the screws going through them. While the other ones, they're just like plastic and maybe some metal pins, and they're really tight. They didn't want to roll. Let's see, which way is the face? I keep forgetting which way is the face. It's this way. Because I gotta look for that eye. And here's the QR code for Christ Satan. And the two-piece, what is this? Force disc, which I like to call it the plastic frame or the PC thing. So we have 2, which is the force disc, which has 3 stars on there. And for PC plastic frame, we have letter G, which is grave. So we have 2 grave, the same one that came with Tornado Wild Wyron God Bay, I believe it was. Just, a different color for the frame. And we have our driver here, which it kind of has a weird little design, which I guess is supposed to be a L on the bottom to represent loop, because this is what this driver has. It has a little, like, small little ball spike holder on the inside, but the wheel things are these little loops on the side, or wheels actually, which are kind of like the same wheels that you have here on the red parts, but they're just hard to see on camera because they blend in because they're flat. So the idea is, like, if it hits a slope and it's going up the base stadium, as the tip leans at angle, one of the wheels will at least try to hold it and keep it spinning to keep it back on track. So, it'll try to go for a sweeper out because, well, it is a defense type, so, versus an attack type. So yeah. I think something that would have been cool is if we would have got these with the purple loops, the little purple wheels on here would have been pretty awesome. Or if they could have done one with the red wheels, which I think they did do a purple one. That might be in the Beyblade Burst app game. But yeah, so let me put this together and let's spin them and battle and see what's be going down. Oh, I still gotta build the base stamp. Launchers, we seen them. And actually, these are closest we're gonna get to 100% perfect whipcords. I mean, that's not gonna be all bent and stuff like how you get them with like the starter bays. These ones are like almost the Karitomi ones. So, yeah. Move the box out of the way. Okay, let's see. How the heck do we set this thing up? So, okay. Hopefully we should have time to see a Beyblade battle or two in here. Because we have these pieces, but it goes down here. Like, let me set some of them up and kind of show you what we have to work with here. So we have this little notchy piece here, like that. We have this one with a little arrow, like that. We have only one of these pieces, and we only get one of these pieces, which reminds me of the face boat that the Metal Fight or the Metal series used to have, which is actually pretty awesome. That we got one that reminds us of one that's like 2 generations old. Because, you know, this generation, the whole burst thing, then we had the Shogun Steel thing, and then before Shogun Steel we had, yeah, the Metal series. So let me see how the heck this thing goes on to the base stadium and stuff. Now I'm just going to presume it goes like this. There is one little thing that's kind of notched out in here. But how does it go? Okay, so don't do the top yet. We're on the bottom. There's only one little piece on the bottom that has like that. That I guess goes this way. And then you take the small one obviously in there, the big one goes down here. But you gotta make sure the small one, I guess, puts. Yeah, it sounds like I snapped it, but I didn't. So that one puts in there, and then this just sits on there like that. No, actually it doesn't. You take the face boat and then you put it into, you can't see on camera, but it looks like it goes in here, which is a little bit easier to get the face bolt in. Then, so if you put this piece in, take this bottom one, put it in on the bottom so that that little piece snaps into place, and then move this piece to the side, take this piece, pop that piece in, hold your thumb on there, and then swing this one back into position and push it up in there. That's the easiest way to get that one to go in there, like that. And then it looks like all these little triangle pieces just be going in there, like through here. But you gotta point upwards. Yeah. And then these ones just go through the top of here. So it might be better if I just pop these ones in here first. Which actually that's what I'm going to do. That's going to make it a lot easier. So this video might actually be a 4 or 5 part video. Yikes, don't want to do that, but hey, that's how you have to do it when you're building a base stadium. And you're doing it in real time, that you're not using any software to cut and star wipe and stuff. Yeah, I don't know how to do that. Don't know where to download it. And if you have to pay for it, I'm not paying for it. Of course, you know, I'm not going to download anything illegally. So if you're like, oh man, you're not paying for it, so I guess you're going to download something illegal. No. I just won't use it as I'm doing right now. Oh my god, why are these things so freaking hard to get in? Okay, and then I have a feeling that you might be ending up breaking the space stadium before you actually get to play with it. I mean, at least the other one from the Shogun Steel space stadium was a little bit easier to put together. This one, not that easy. And they suspect a kid to put this together. A kid and a dog can't even put this thing together. I mean, I'm very managing. And I mean, this thing is like... Hasbro, you probably should have came with a bigger box and had it pre-built in the box. Because, yeah. Well, last one to put in here. So, yay. And we are done! Yes! Finally! I'm happy. I'm excited. Woo! We're done. And of course, you know, you could change the PC or the plastic frames with the forged disc, as long as they have the numbers on there instead of the letters on the forged disc. Yeah, things be doing like that. And stuff. Woo! Yes! 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 So excited that the base thing is done. And the reason why, which is kind of stupid. I mean, look. You have 1, 2, 3 little layers on here. This one, there's no lay on here, and you have to put this piece on there. I guess, really, if you don't want to put that piece on there, you can have it wobbling, which is still wobbles, but oh well. And then you do have, like, bay pockets in there for the stadium out and stuff. Although this one, down here, doesn't really have a bay pocket, because as you can see here, bay pocket, stay out, and this one's like, haha, there's your the Bay Pocket free, almost like get out of the jail Monopoly card thing for Beyblades. So, yeah. Let's go with the defense type first. I think it's a white spin bay. Come on. Now the law. Yeah. Would help if I put them in the white way, but hey. Yeah, this one doesn't really want to spin that great.